7 easy steps to uploading a YouTube short. The last one is quantity. You need to upload at least 3 to 5 videos every single day to Shorts for 30 days if you want to get traction. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So let's go. What if I told you about TikTok a year before it actually exploded in growth and you were able to get millions and millions of views and thousands and tens of thousands of subscribers? Well, the good news is YouTube Shorts is gonna do that. You're probably thinking, oh man, another platform, more content I have to create. It's not the case. You can take your long form content and make short form content and it'll be a lot of fun. I have a friend named Jessica who has generated over 80,000 subscribers and almost 4 million views in the last 60 days alone from YouTube Shorts. So I'm jumping on the Shorts bandwagon and we're gonna have a lot of fun. But I wanna talk to you guys a little bit more in depth today of exactly how it works, and we're gonna go actually do the process of uploading a short. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to YouTube. We're gonna go right to the app. I'm gonna make sure I have it opened up. I'm gonna make sure I'm logged into the right account. So I'm gonna make sure this is not it. So I'm gonna log into my main account, Adrian Graphics Shorts right here. And then what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna go into my gallery and I'm gonna go into one of my videos here. I think this is the one that I did. And I'm actually gonna have to reduce it down. You're gonna have to reduce the quality. So what I'll do is I'll hit the little edit button. I'll come up to the left-hand corner, as you can see here. There we go. And I'm gonna bring this down to 720 by 1280, just standard HD. I'll hit save. All right, so now that we've done that, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna go over to TikTok because I like TikTok. Let's turn that off. We're gonna hit the little plus symbol right there. We're gonna go to upload. I'm gonna grab this video that I just saved. All right, now that I got it, we're gonna drop it in here. I'm actually gonna go in here and I'm gonna add a sound. I'm gonna go to my favorites. I'm gonna pick a cool sound. So let's just see here. Let's turn this up a little bit. We'll just lower the volume to like 20 to 25 right here. Right there, there we go. There we go, boom. And I'll hit next. I'll just put something kind of cool in here, like 7 steps to uploading YouTube. I'll do this little YouTube Shorts. Boom. All right, I'll select a cover. And help. Is your tag. There we go, save that. Beautiful. So now I got that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and go back, hit next, whoops, and we're gonna hit post. And there we go. So now this video is live. What I need to do is I need to click the 3 dots. I need to copy the link. I go to my browser. I'm gonna go to Musically Down. I have it right here. There we go. We're gonna take this link. I'm gonna paste this in here. Oops, let's see here. There we go, paste that in. Paste, hit download. There it is, without the watermark. It's important that you do not upload a video with the watermark. So here it is. Now I'm gonna go hit download, download. Now it's on my phone, downloading the file. Boom, it's done. So now that I've downloaded that file, I'm gonna go back to YouTube, which was right here. Boom. I'm gonna hit the little plus symbol. We're gonna hit upload video. I'm gonna grab this little short video. There we go. I'm gonna create 7 steps to uploading and I'll put easy steps. It's important that you have a good title. YouTube Shorts. And I'm not gonna put the hashtag in here. I'm actually gonna put it in the description. So 7 steps, we'll put easy again. Easy steps to uploading YouTube. Oops, let's make sure I do the capitalization. To Shorts. There we go. All right, and then I'm at the end of this, I'm just gonna put Shorts. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna hit back on the description. I can't do cards in here, unfortunately, but I can add it to my playlist. As I mentioned to you guys, I can do cards on my computer. So I can go back to my channel on there and I can add the cards and link it back to my channel. In fact, what we'll do real quick here, just as an extra bonus for you guys, is I'll actually link back, check out our main channel, https youtube.com/Adrian graphics. There we go. So that'll link them back. I'm gonna drop this down a line. There we go. Whoops, and I made this out. There we go. Okay. Now hit back on that, hit next. No, it's not made for kids. Hit upload, and there we go. So now you can see here, I can go to YouTube Studio. All right, so now we'll go over here and you can see it's already been uploaded. I can click on this. See, it's officially live. So that is how you would upload a short in the easy way without the TikTok watermark. If you're gonna use TikTok to film it, or you're gonna use TikTok to pull your videos from, you need to make sure that it's without the watermark. This is very, very important. YouTube Shorts is an amazing opportunity for you guys to capitalize on. If you get in now, post 3 to 5 videos a day, every day for at least a month, you can always scale it back from there. But that's how you're gonna build traction, and you're gonna be getting on the forefront of something that hasn't even been publicly released yet. There are more views happening on YouTube Shorts already than TikTok. Can you imagine that? It's already surpassed TikTok and it hasn't even been officially released. They're gonna put an uploader for shorts. They have an uploader for stories already out. So far, it's only really been released in India, but this is a really great opportunity for you to get in early, to be an early adopter. And that's the people that have the most success on the platforms, are the people that adopt it first. So I just want to encourage you guys to take advantage of YouTube Shorts, follow those 7 steps. If you have any questions, please drop a comment down below. I want to hear from you. I want to be able to help you grow your channel or grow a channel. If you're a designer, if you're a creative, that's what I'm here for. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down at the bottom so you can get more awesome content like this, because I got some really good stuff coming, including NFTs. If you don't know what that's about, you will soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. And as always, keep looking up.